Good morning, dear students. We will continue the topic characteristics of accounting. The third characteristics of accounting is identification, measurement, recording, and communication. So, first one is identification. What does it mean? It means determining what to record. All items are not recorded in accounting. So we have to determine what are the events that must be recorded in the books of accounts. So it involves observation of business activities and selecting transactions of monetary nature. Only transactions of monetary nature are recorded in the books of accounts. Okay. Then the next one is measurement. Business transactions are measured in monetary terms. If an event cannot be measured in terms of money, then it is not considered for recording in financial statements. So, in financial statements, only those events which can be measured in terms of money are recorded. Next, C. Recording. The identified accounting transactions are recorded in the books of accounts in an orderly and systematic manner. Okay, the identified accounting transactions are recorded in the books of accounts in an orderly manner and systematic manner. And the next one, D, communication. Accounting records prepared in the form of ledger accounts, profit and loss account, and balance sheet should be communicated to various interested parties. Okay, so the accountant will prepare various accounts in the form of ledger accounts, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. And all these accounts or statements should be communicated to various interested parties. Then the next feature of accounting is interpreting the results. You know, the success of a business can be ascertained by interpreting the profit and loss account and balance sheet prepared by the organization. The accountant will prepare a profit and loss account and balance sheet. So we can analyze the success of a business by interpreting the profit and loss account and balance sheet prepared by the organization. Then now we are going to discuss who are the interested users of accounting information. Users of accounting information. Okay. Accounting information is needed by a variety of users, and the users may be of internal users as well as external users. Then who are internal users? Internal users include owners, management, and employees. So they are inside the organization. Okay, they are internal users. And some external users are there. They are also interested in the accounting information. External users include creditors, investors, government, customers, etc. These are all external users. Then now the various users of accounting information are: first one, owners. Owners are those persons who invest money in the business to start the business. Second one, management. They are also interested in the accounting information. Employees working in the organization. Creditors and financial institutions who give money to the business. Then investors, those who invest money in the business. Customers. Then government and government agencies, state government, central government, and various government agencies like income tax department, GST department, etc. They are also interested in the accounting information. So these are the important users of accounting information. The next we are going to discuss What is bookkeeping? What is accounting? First of all, what is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is concerned with the recording of business transactions in books of accounts. Okay, so it is just a recording of business transactions. Transactions are recorded in the books of accounts. That is what is called bookkeeping. Then accounting. What is the meaning of accounting? Accounting includes not only recording of business transactions, it also includes some other functions. But also summarizing these transactions, analyzing the transactions, and interpreting their effects on the working of the business. So, accounting is a larger concept. It includes not only recording of business transactions, it also includes summarizing the transactions, analyzing the transactions, interpreting the results, etc. Okay, so that is accounting. Then now we are going to discuss the important differences between bookkeeping and accounting. What are the important differences between bookkeeping and accounting? First one is bookkeeping is the primary stage of maintaining records. Primary stage, first stage of maintaining records. At the same time, accounting is the secondary stage. Why? Because accounting begins where bookkeeping ends. Bookkeeping is the primary stage of maintaining records, whereas accounting begins where bookkeeping ends. The second difference is bookkeeping is concerned with recording of business transactions in a set of books. That is the meaning of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is concerned with recording of business transactions in a set of books. At the same time, accounting deals with summarizing, interpreting, and communicating the financial transactions. Okay. Bookkeeping is only concerned with the recording of business transactions in a set of books. Accounting deals with summarizing, interpreting, and communicating financial transactions. Next difference is the responsibility of accounting staff is comparatively the responsibility of the bookkeeping staff. The responsibility of the bookkeeping staff is comparatively less than the responsibility of accounting staff. Who has more responsibility? The accounting staff has more responsibility than the bookkeeping staff, because bookkeeping involves only recording of business transactions, but accounting involves summarizing, then classifying, interpreting, communicating, etc. So the responsibility of accounting staff is more than that of the bookkeeping staff. Next one is management cannot take decisions based on the data provided by bookkeeping. Okay, management cannot take decisions based on the data provided by bookkeeping. At the same time, the management can take business decisions based on the information provided by the accountant, because the accountant provides data only after summarizing and interpreting the results. So the management can use the information provided by the accountant for decision making, but management cannot take decisions based on the data provided by bookkeeping. Next difference is bookkeeping does not require any special skills. Okay, bookkeeping staff does not require any special skill for recording business transactions. It's only a clerical nature. The job is just like a clerical nature. At the same time, accounting requires, or the accountant requires, special skill due to its complex nature. Accounting is a complex work, so the accounting staff requires special skill. Okay, thank you.